Hello students, how are you? Hoping you are fine. I am Nidhi Garg, your SST teacher from Suraj School. Today I am teaching you lesson 3rd from your SST book, The Fertile Plains of Northern India. India has 5 physical divisions, in which Northern Plain is the second one. The first one is Himalayas, second one is plain, third one is desert, fourth coastal plains, and Iceland, and fifth one is plateau. We will read today about the fertile northern plains. So first question is, what is a plain? Plain are flat, vast and low-lying area where the soil is very fertile. Plain like, what is a plain? Plain like flat surface where the most important component is soil, which is fine, soft and rich in mineral. Due to richness of soil, the plains are most suitable for agriculture. So, alluvial soil is an important factor of fertile plains. Due to the richness of alluvial soil, northern plains is more suitable for agriculture, and northern plains also known as food bowl of India. Now the second question, how the plains are formed. The northern plain is formed by the deposition of soil brought by the rivers like Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These rivers originate from the Himalayas range. When all rivers originate from the Himalayas range. So when rivers falls down on the plains with full slopes, they brings salt, silt, soil and other components like pieces of rocks and carry them along. जब रिवर्स हिमालय से होती हुई प्लेन्स की तरफ आती है तो वो बीच में अपने साथ बहुत सारा सिल्ट मीन्स गाद, सॉयल मिट्टी और छोटे छोटे पत्थर के टुकड़े अपने साथ लेती हुई आती है. जब वो प्लेन्स पे आते हैं तो द स्पीड ऑफ द फ्लो ऑफ रिवर्स रिड्यूस. तो जब स्लोप से होते हुए नदी धीरे धीरे फ्लैट सरफेस पे आती है तो उनका फ्लो कम हो जाता है और the component which brings by the river like silt, soil and other component are deposited on the plains. This is our northern plains. Our northern plains are divided into 3 basins. Now what is a basin? Basin is a low-lying area drained by rivers and their tributaries. A basin means a plain surface. Drain means सींचना. जब एक plain surface को नदी द्वारा सींचा जाता है, like हम अपने plants को ड्रेन करते हैं मीन्स सींचते हैं तो क्या होता है वहां पे पानी का क्या है कंपोजिशन हो जाता है, वहां पे इकट्ठा हो जाता है. सेम अ बेसिन इज अ लो लाइंग एरिया which is drained by river and their tributaries. Northern plains is divided in 3 basins. The first one is our Satluj basin, the second one is the Ganga basin and third one is the Brahmaputra basin. Where the northern plains located? The northern plains lies to the south of the greater Himalaya. It is bounded by Thar desert in the west, Purvanchal ranges in the east and the southern plateau in the south. The plain stretches from Punjab in the west to the Assam in the east. I'm just explaining to you all. Like the northern plains lies to the south of the Himalaya. This is our Himalayas. and our northern place lies in the south of the Himalayas. Now it stretches from the Punjab from the west to the Assam in the east. It is about 2400 kilometers long. Now come to the first basin, the Satluj basin. The Satluj river flows towards Punjab and joins the Indus river in the Pakistan. The western part of the northern plains is the Satluj river. The western part of the northern fertile plains is the Satluj basin. Satluj River Satluj along with its tributary Vyas drain the lowland of Punjab and Haryana. Means Satluj originates from the Himalayas and it drains with its tributary Vyas from in the lowland of Punjab and Haryana and forming the Satluj basin. Later on that it enters into Pakistan to join the river Indus. This region gets very little rainfall. We are living in Haryana, so we know very well about the climatic condition of Haryana. So the climate is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. The Ganga basin. Ganga originates in the Himalaya at Gomukh. Gangotri and icy glacier is the source of river Ganga. हमारी जो रिवर गंगा है वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है? हिमालयन से. And it's the main component of river Ganga is icy glacier, which name is Gangotri. Same as Yamunotri glacier is the source of river Yamuna. Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, and Kosi are the tributary of river Ganga. Now, what is the tributary? There are major rivers like River, Ganga, the Satluj, and the Brahmaputra. There are many other small rivers known as Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, and Kosi. When the small rivers join the larger river like Ganga and increase the volume of main river, so this is called tributary. Now I'm again explaining what is a tributary. Tributary is a small river which join the main river like Ganga and increase the volume of main river. So these smaller rivers known as tributary. The Ganga river flows in the state of Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. Triveni Sangam. What is the meaning of Triveni? Tri means teen, Veni means नदी and Sangam means मिलना, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कॉन्फ्लुएंस. तो जहाँ पर तीन नदी एक दूसरे से मिलती हैं उसे बोलते हैं त्रिवेणी संगम. This place is also known as Prayag and the older name is Allahabad. So the Triveni Sangam, known as Prayag, is the site of confluence. Confluence means milna of the river Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati at Prayagraj. So what is the Triveni Sangam? जहाँ पर तीन नदियों का संगम होता है जिसका नाम है गंगा, यमुना एंड सरस्वती. Triveni Sangam is a sacred place for Hindus and is of religious importance. The river Ganga splits into two branches. The first one is Hooghly, which flows from the West Bengal, and the other branch enters in Bangladesh, which known as Padma. Now third one is Brahmaputra Basin. Unlike the river river Ganga and the Satluj, it is not originates from the India or Himalayas. It is originate from the Tibet, where this this river known as Sangpo. The Brahmaputra basin runs from the west to east in Bhutan, and later on it enters in India in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर तिब्बत से स्टार्ट होते हुए और नॉर्थ ईस्ट के थ्रू यानी कि स्टेट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश से इंडिया में एंटर करती है. when the river Brahmaputra joins the Ganga and other tributaries, and it forms the largest delta known as Sundarbans. What is the delta? When the main river and the other tributary rivers joins together from different location before joining the sea, it it makes a triangular shape which known as delta. So the Sundarban delta is the largest delta in the world. This region is very swampy and is covered with dense forest called tidal forest. Due to plenty of water and the climate condition, because the northeast area like Shillong, Meghalaya, these areas receive heavy rainfall. So due to the plenty of water, moisture, it is covered by heavy rainfall, and due to these areas, Sundarban areas covered with dense forest. Dense means ghane forest. This is called tidal forest. River Brahmaputra overflows and flood the land every year. रिवर ब्रह्मपुत्र में हर साल फ्लड आते हैं. क्या रीजन है इसका? The northeast area of India like Shillong, Meghalaya receive heavy rainfalls, and due to heavy rainfalls it increases the volume of Brahmaputra river and Brahmaputra valley, so it overflows and floods the land every year. So today we have read about the northern plains. What is our northern plains? How they are formed? What is their location and the part of the northern plains? The first one is Satluj Basin. The second one is Ganga Basin, and the third one is Brahmaputra Basin. The Ganga Basin is the largest basin, and the last one is how the delta forms. This is our delta, triangle shape. When the different rivers joins together and a piece of land where they meet before joining the sea. This triangular piece of land known as delta. I am explaining again. When the different rivers come together and join and make a triangular piece of land before joining the sea, this triangular piece known as delta.